स्टार्ट प्लीज शुरू कीजिए
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. All praises be to Allah, the creator of the worlds. May the blessing and peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and upon his family and all his companions. My dear students, respected audience and honorable judges, today on this auspicious occasion, I have been given a golden opportunity to announce this program. As you know very well, today is Republic Day. On this day, our Indian Constitution came into the practice on 26th of January 1950. My dear students, this day is very important for all of us. We have been gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. This day comes every year on 26th January. This happiness repeated every year on 26th January. My dear students, you know very well, before 1947, our lovely country India was slave. There used to be British government. The British were cruel. They used to oppress Indian Muslims and Indian people. They used to torture. They sniped the Indian lands. My dear students, but 15 August 1947, our lovely country became free. Dear students, for this Independence Day, a program is held in every school, colleges, universities and government institution. You know very well, such as I have also organized a small program. I am going to start this conference and meeting which we are going to celebrate as Independence Day. You know very well, Allama Iqbal Rahmatullah alayhi said, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. लेकर सांस मुट्ठी में झुका गए हिमालय को, लेकर सांस मुट्ठी में झुका गए हिमालय को, हाथ में था तिरंगा अमर कर गए खुद को. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, और फ्रीडम फाइटर्स वर हजरत मौलाना महमूदुल हसन देवबंदी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह. You know very well, our great freedom fighters were Shaykhul Islam Hazrat Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani rahmatullah alayh. These were great freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, they also, and a lot of Indian Muslims and Hindus, Sikh, Isai, when they all fight together against British, our lovely country, India became free. I don't have time to explain about Indian history. I have very little time and I have a lot of speakers whom I will have to invite here. But I'm going to explain something in brief. You know very well, British came India for business purpose. First of all, they came in West Bengal and they start their business. They established East India Company. First of all, the first person who stood in front of British, whose name was Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla. And the first battle of freedom was held in Plassey Field. But unfortunately, because of disloyalty of Mir Jafar, that battle was lost. Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla was defeated. And after that, the British started to snatch Indian land step by step. And one day came our lovely country completely became under his garments. This was the dark day. This was the dark day. But our lovely freedom fighters didn't stop to fight against British. They fought and they make India free. Dear students, now I am going to start this conference. First of all, I am going to invite Mr. Asmat. I request him that please come and sing any song about Republic Day of India. Mr. Asmat Hussain, please be on podium.
तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, इसके तले हम लोग यहाँ पर रहते हैं आबाद। तिरंगा जिंदाबाद है ये तिरंगा ऐसा यारो, सबके दिल को लुभाता है, ऐसा जलवा दिखाता है, ऐसा जलवा दिखाता है ये तिरंगा ऐसा यारो, सबके दिल को लुभाता है, ऐसा जलवा दिखाता है, ऐसा जलवा दिखाता है। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबको प्यार सिखाता है, प्यार का नग़्मा सुनाता है, प्यार का नग़्मा सुनाता है। ऐसी अक़ीदत के क़ाइल थे, ऐसी अक़ीदत के क़ाइल थे गांधी और आज़ाद। तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद। रंगे हरा दिखला के सबको, रंगे हरा दिखला के सबको हरियाली दिखलाता है, खुशहाली बतलाता है, खुशहाली बतलाता है। सुर्ख से कुर्बानी का जज्बा रग 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 में भड़काता है, खूने दिल गरमाता है, खूने दिल गरमाता है। इसकी सफेदी अमन के हक में, इसकी सफेदी अमन के हक में बनती है रोदा, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद। तुझको बुजुर्गों ने भारत तुझको बुजुर्गों ने भारत जानो दिल से चाहा था, तन मन तुझ पे लुटाया था, तन मन तुझ पे लुटाया था। ताज महल और लाल किले से रूप को तेरे सजाया था, ऐसा तुझको बनाया था, ऐसा तुझको बनाया था। कैसे भुला पाएंगी उनको, कैसे भुला पाएंगी इनको, इनकी ही औलाद। तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद। टीपू जफर अशफाक की मेहनत रंग यहाँ पे लाई है, आजादी ये दिलाई है, आजादी ये दिलाई है। भाग पड़े अंग्रेज यहाँ से, ऐसी धूल चटाई है, जीत हमी ने पाई है, जीत हमी ने पाई है। हम हैं मुसलमान हुब्बे वतन से, हम हैं मुसलमान हुब्बे वतन से, दिल है ये आबाद। तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद। हाँ तो मुसलमान देश की खातिर फिर से खून बहाना है, अपने हक को पाना है, अपने हक को पाना है। कुछ भी हो हर हाल में अपना हिंदुस्तान बचाना है, शान को इसकी बढ़ाना है, शान को इसकी बढ़ाना है। यकजहती का जो है मुखालिफ, यकजहती का जो है मुखालिफ, हो जाए बर्बाद। तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद, तिरंगा जिंदाबाद।
MashaAllah, Mr. Azmat Hussain, thank you so much. Really, you have sung this Indian song with very lovely and sweetly voice and good this voice and good style. Your singing style was also good and your voice is also very beautiful. My dear students, as you know very well, Republic Day program is going on, and Alhamdulillah, this program is going on well. Now I am going to invite your best friend for Republic Day speech, whose name is Mr. Sadullah. I request him that please come on podium.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina wa Nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. All praises be to Allah, the creator of the world. May the blessing and peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, and upon his family and upon his all companions. My dear friends and honorable guests, first of all I would like to welcome with Islamic greeting, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My dear friends, as you know very well, today is Indian Republic Day, and we all are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day. That's why I am going to deliver a speech about Republic Day of India. My dear audience, India is a self-governing country since 1947. India got independence on 15th August 1947, which we celebrate as an Independence Day. However, the Constitution of India came into the force on 26 January 1950. Since then we celebrate Republic Day every year. My dear audience, Republic means the supreme power of the people who live in the country, and only its citizen has right to elect leader as a president, prime minister, chief minister, MP, MLA, etc. India is a democratic country where everyone is authorized to live, wear and adopt the culture and religion which he desires. There is no any foundation to eat certain things, which indicates there is no any foundation to accept a certain religion. There is no any foundation to adopt a certain culture. Everyone is free for that. What he eats, what he wears, and how he lives. But it's very regret that some people want to club every Indian in their own club, and they blame that Muslims are traitor, and they consider that Muslims are danger for the safety of our country. They openly oppose the Indian Constitution and Muslims. They consider that Muslims have got their share in the throne of Pakistan. That's why they should go to Pakistan. But they forget that still India has more Muslims than Pakistan. They forgot the sacrifice of Muslims for making India free. But I would like to ask them, how can they forget the fact that the first person who endorsed the fatwa against British and said today India became slave was not anyone but a Muslim? How can they forget that the first person who fought against British was not Indian but a Muslim? How can they forget that the first person who started the first revolution for independence was not Indian but a Muslim? How can they forget that the first person who stood up to stop British step in South India was not anyone but a Muslim, who said that शेर की एक दिन की जिंदगी गिलहर की 100 साल की जिंदगी से बेहतर है. Was not anyone but a Muslim. How can they forget that the first person who said खिलौना समझ कर न बर्बाद करना कि हम भी किसी के बनाए हुए हैं. खिलौना समझ कर न बर्बाद करना कि हम भी किसी के बनाए हुए हैं. फरंगी के फौजों में हुर्मत के फतवे सड़ चढ़ कर हम गाए हुए हैं. फरंगी के फौजों में हुर्मत के फतवे सड़ चढ़ कर हम गाए हुए हैं. वो शजरे आजादी को खू दे करके सींचा, वो शजरे आजादी को खू दे करके सींचा तो फल उसके पकने को आए हुए हैं. My dear audience, was not anyone but a Muslim. How can they forget that? The first person who said सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं उसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. Was not anyone but a Muslim. How can they forget that the first person who sounded the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad was not anyone but a Muslim. My dear audience, great freedom fighters were, the great freedom fighters were Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan, Tipu Sultan alayhi rahmah, Sheikh Hussain Ahmad Madani, Hasrat Mohani, etc. My dear audience, I have a short time, that's why I'm going to wind up my speech. And may Allah keep Indian Muslims and Hindus safe and prosperous. May India be the most beautiful place in the world. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.
MashaAllah. Dear students, you are listening Mr. Sadullah. He was delivering his speech about Republic Day of India. Really, he has delivered his speech and he has spoken very well. I hope if he works hard, one day will come, he will be a great speaker. Inshallah ta'ala.